tonight. Baby, you've been waiting, so I'm gonna love you all night. Girl, though I'm weary, still gonna give you love, and still gonna make you feel like this is more than real. Because you're way too beautiful to resist. You are more than wonderful, and every day is bliss. You're way too beautiful. How could I resist your love, your love? Because you're way too beautiful to resist. You are more than wonderful, and every day is bliss. You're way too beautiful. How could I resist your love, your love?
All right, let us hear from the judges, starting with Elaine.
Touriss! I want that for your jacket. I want them something. It's a lot of things on your jacket. Pick up your jacket and all those things on it. So you have a you have a great voice, a good tone. You're young, you're fun. I don't think that song went anywhere. I wanted to hear you do something exciting. You know, it was just the same thing, you know, that from the beginning to the end. But you were full of energy, and it was, I love to watch you sing, and I hope that Jamaica brings you back. And again, big up your jacket.
Anthony.
Touriss, you're a likable person, you're engaging, like, you know, you have a bad hairstyle, like you need a haircut. You know, people like, you know, it was pleasant, but I'd be patronizing you if I were to say that made even the remotest impression. It was just really dull. But you have a warm voice, it's nice, but sing something else.
Conroy.
Yeah, it wasn't as dull as it's been made to seem. The song didn't really go anywhere, and, you know, it just kept on going. But it wasn't dull. I wouldn't say it was dull, and you're a performer anyway, so you managed to bring something to it. But, yes, it needed to, you know, take off like a rocket, and it didn't.
All right, thanks, judges.